Big story we are breaking at this hour. Karnataka Minister Ramesh Jarkiholy has resigned after a purported sex tape went viral showing him in a compromising position. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is getting asked more details on that. There has been pressure, Nagarjun, from the BJP, from the government there, from the party leadership for him to resign, and Jarkiholy has had to put in his papers. The tape also has him actually criticizing his own party boss and Chief Minister, B.S. Yediyurappa.
Well, that is true. Just breaking news coming in that Ramesh Jarkiholy, minister, has resigned and has sent a resignation letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Let me read out the transcript of the letter that he has sent to the Chief Minister. He says that based on moral grounds that he's resigning and is requesting the Chief Minister to accept this resignation, and he claims innocence in this whole scenario, and he says clear investigation should be taken out and he would come out innocent, and is confident about this. Just before the cabinet meet starts at 2 p.m, Ramesh Jarkiholy has tendered his resignation. As we can access the letter, and it's flashing on our screens that Ramesh Jarkiholy has finally resigned, and this was after the clear instructions from the party high command that the top brass of the Delhi BJP or the Union BJP met this morning and spoke about the situation and took stock of the situation and instructed the state leadership to instruct or direct Ramesh Jarkiholy to tender his resignation. This was the background of a budget session that starts from tomorrow. Government didn't want to be in an embarrassing situation in the treasury benches. The Chief Minister also had a word with General Secretary Arun Singh, is what we are told. And now at 2 p.m, we have got the access to the letter that Ramesh Jarkiholy has finally resigned and will come back after the investigation, he claims.
What about the veracity of the CD that has surfaced, Nagarjun? What are your sources within the police telling you about the investigations, given the fact that, and also to tell our viewers that the allegation is that this is a sex for job sort of a scandal where a woman has been lured into having sex with the minister in question because she was told that if she does so, then she will be given a job.
Well, at this point of time, the investigation is continuing. The Home Minister said that the investigation will be done in a fair and clear manner, but FIR is not registered yet. When I spoke to the police, they said that FIR will be registered after the complainant comes forward and registers a complaint, because the person who registered a complaint was a third party. So the police are trying to get in touch with the woman who is in the video and record a statement and take a complaint and immediately register an FIR. Most likely today or tomorrow, they would get in touch with her and record a statement and then file an FIR, is what we are told. And now that the Minister has resigned, Home Minister and other cabinet ministers feel that this would have a clear investigation, because the person who is accused here is not in the chair, who is not in the powerful position of being a minister.
All right, these are the details that are just coming in. What is it that you're picking up, Nagarjun, from your sources within the Bharatiya Janata Party, given the fact that there's been a conversation that has been caught on camera? Of course, it is allegedly the voice of Jarkiholy, in which he's also criticizing B.S. Yediyurappa. They're obviously embarrassed about him saying that Yediyurappa has been corrupt, isn't it? All right, we'll go back to Nagarjun in a bit from now. Meanwhile, a series of reactions that have been coming in. But before that, listen in to what Ramesh Jarkiholy had to say about the charges that were leveled against him. Take a look.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ KPTCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಿರುಕುಳನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಿಂಗಿ ಕಿರುಕುಳ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಭಾಳ ನೋವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇವ್ರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ, ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ವಕೀಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಸುದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮತ್ತು CD ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಇದು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಕ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಪಾಪ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿ ನೌಕರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಮಗ್ರವಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
It is not only issue of any sex scandal or any affair or any issue. I could see yesterday night the minister has allied that the Honorable Chief Minister is corrupt. This is the Chief Minister has to first reply.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವರದಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಅದು ಅದರ ಸತ್ಯಾಸತ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮುಜುಗರ ತರುವಂಥ ಸಂಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಚ್ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ನಾಯಕರನ್ನವರಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ನೈತಿಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರಬೇಕನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ನಾಯಕರ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವೂ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಅನುಮಾನವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಂತದ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ